How to make the PC speaker beep from the Windows 7 command prompt. I'm running some lengthy video encodes using the Handbrake command line interface. After all my encodes are done, I would like to have the PC speaker beep, as I usually turn my large external speakers off. On Linux I would install the beep package, but so far I haven't found such a program for Windows 7. Possibly related links. Microsoft support, system beep sound does not function in Windows Vista x64 with HD audio devices. I am indeed using an HD audio device, the SoundMax ADI 1986A. MSDN blog, what's up with a beep driver in Windows 7? Edit. The question seems to have morphed into how to make Windows 7 beep the PC speaker, for which the answer provided by Harink is the most appropriate.
It would help to know whether your Windows 7 is 64-bit or 32-bit. From default beep PC speaker changed in Windows 7, how to get back to old style. The default beep is controlled by a driver under c:/Windows/System32/drivers/beep.sys. Maybe if you switched it out with a driver from XP/Vista it would increase the volume. To see this driver you have to open Device Manager, then click on View in GT, Show Hidden Devices. Then under Non-Plug and Play Drivers you'll see beep. This is the driver that runs your beep. Right-click on it, then choose Properties and go to the Driver tab, then click on Driver Details. This shows the file version which looks like it's been changed with Windows 7. So replace it with an older version and see what happens. Procedure to follow. Boot from an UPT4 Win disk, or BART if you don't have an SATA hard drive. Take ownership of the c:/Windows/System32/drivers/beep.sys file and give the local administrators group full control permissions. Rename beep.sys to beep.old, just in case. Copy beep.sys from an XP machine to this location.
In Windows 7, beep was rewritten to pass the beep to the default sound device for the session. This is normally the sound card, except when run under terminal services, in which case the beep is rendered on the client. Source: an article on why, for those who can't be bothered to read, it was to reduce manufacturing cost. But if you are content with having the beep come out of your speakers, a simple batch file can do it. You can write a DOS batch file that beeps by doing the following. At the DOS prompt type echo at echo, Alt7 and GT, beep.bat. But instead of typing the characters, Alt7, you hold down the Alt key and press 7 on the numeric keypad. Don't use the 7 on the QWERTY part of the keyboard, it has to be on the keypad, and numlock has to be on. Source:
If you have Python 2.x installed, this line in a bat file works.
Try starting a fake file that doesn't exist. That makes both a pop-up and the beep sound, but I'm not sure if you want the pop-up or not.
If you like this classic channel, please consider subscribing.